Hey guys, so today I have another unboxing of Gothic Beauty subscription box. So this is box number 59 and I just received it a few days ago. I usually try to open them as soon as I get them, but I've been really busy. Hence my surroundings. I'm not at home in my apartment. I am dog sitting elsewhere, so this is not my setup, but it's still nice with the fireplace and everything. So I managed to go home, get a hold of the box, bring it back here, and I'm gonna open it with you guys as I have not opened it at all. I don't know what's in here. I saw some other people posting videos and I didn't watch them because I didn't want to know what was inside. I wanted it to be a total surprise. These are my favorite boxes to get. They have the best quality items that I have found for a subscription box, because I've purchased other subscription boxes in the past and I've been really let down by them, and I've never had an item from them that I didn't like in their boxes. They have the best quality, the most like well-used type item, like things that you would use, like makeup and jewelry and accessories, like different items you can wear and things like that. Like they literally like have like everything in here. I'm actually wearing an eyeshadow palette from one of their other subscription boxes. The company that made the eyeshadow palette is Lashy Doodle. They supply a lot of the makeup for their boxes, and it's this like purple eyeshadowy look I had going on because I went to a concert tonight. So I figured I got home from the concert and I want to open this box with you guys right away because I hate waiting. So here we go. As always, they give you the sheet of paper that has what's listed on here. On here what's listed, like what's in the box, but I am not going to look at it because I want it to be a surprise. Although I did see the cover of the magazine accidentally when I was going through like my YouTube subscriptions, and it popped up from other people who I watch had made a video. But I know the person that's on the cover. She is a fellow YouTuber. She goes by the name Lillicris, and I haven't seen much of her honestly recently. She would do mostly like festivals, like would vlog going to like Mariluna and We've Gothic Treffen and things like that. I don't remember what country she lives in. She's in Europe somewhere, I forget, but I follow her on TikTok and YouTube. So yeah, I'm just gonna flip through the magazine real quickly. Oh, look, it has Voltaire is in here. Oh, Aurelio Voltaire, he's a musician that received a box, and other you guys that are in here who have received boxes. I know one of the subscriptions. Oh, here I am. I saw myself in here. There I am right there. It's so nice that they do that. But yeah, they like are really generous when they give out these boxes to people, you know, that do YouTube or other social media and stuff like that. So yeah, that was really nice. So in this subscription, let's see what we have. Ooh, I love this stuff. This type of jewelry. There's like a thing about a jewelry maker. It's this chain cult. Looks like somebody got married. Arcane Arrangements. Oh, it must be a company that puts together like bouquets and stuff like that. That's really pretty. Look at it, if you can see it. Sorry, I have like a reflection from my ring light. But yeah, so you get the whole magazine you can check out and read, along with all the products that come in the box. As always, they have little stickers and stuff in here. This one's cute. Look at the little bat. Little batty bat. This is all air freshener. I'm excited. I love air fresheners. Amber air freshener. Ooh, and it's not vanilla, because I feel like every time you get an air freshener, it's always vanilla. So thank God it's not vanilla. But look at that. Look at how cool that is. That's like the lip service dagger. So cool. And they have like their little promotional cards for lip service, because they're affiliated with them. All right, first thing I picked up. I know what these are. These are gonna be like arm warmers. And I know that because I've gotten other ones in their boxes, and also I wore a pair tonight when I went out. I don't have them, I took them off of me. before I drove home. But I did have them on tonight because I love these accessories. And these are cool because they're green. They're like kind of like a neon green color, which I love because it reminds me of Typo Negative, my favorite band, the green and the black. So cool. So obviously there's 2 of them. I love these. I can't wait to wear them. What is this? I don't know what this is. It's like a rubbery little... What is this? I've never seen anything like this before in my life. I mean, I'm gonna read the thing and figure it out, but... Am I stupid? Does this have something to do with makeup? Like, is it like for... I don't know. I don't know what it is. I've never seen anything like it. There's like little grooves inside of it. We'll find out. We will find out. Next we have, this is freaking awesome. It's a hair clip. Look how beautiful and detailed that is. I freaking love that. That's amazing. It reminds me of like I used to have a hair clip back in the 90s, early 2000s. And it must have been the 90s because I wore it to, I'm pretty sure I wore it to prom. But it has like, you know, like that type of a clasp on the back of it. I wish I still had the old bat clip. I might have it somewhere, but this totally reminds me of it. So pretty. And then in most of their boxes, or I want to say in all of their boxes, they usually have one of these roll-on scents by Spooky Spirits. This one's called Velvet Shadows. This sounds promising. Ooh. Ooh, I like that. Ooh, we'll read later what the notes in there are. Or does it say in here? Oh, it says in here. Dark chocolate, black tea, and raspberry. I feel like it smells more than that though. But that's like really, that's like so nice. Spooky Spirits. And then what's this? This is makeup by Dark Asteroid Pretty, and they also in the past have had their products in these boxes, like beauty blenders, I think, and another type of like, I think a foundation brush they had in one of them, and then like actual like white foundation and like a black foundation. This is a precision brush. Small precision brush, excellent for detailed eyeshadow application, smudge, and target color placement, including powder, cream, and liquid eyeshadow formulas. It's like wicked soft. And then we have a product from Lashy Doodle. It is one of their eyeliners with they have like stamps on the end, like a little stamper. This one I think is an Ankh, and I have another one that's an Ankh, but it's in purple, and this one is green, I believe. Yeah, green. It's like a dark forest green. You see that? Isn't that cute? And then just has the other tip as the end is the regular felt tip. I use these all the time. I've said this before, I use them for the inside corners of my makeup or just to do like little pointed detail for eyeliner. They work so well and they last a long time. And then last but not least, we have an eyeshadow palette. So as I was saying, I used a purple one that I got from one of their other kits, their other boxes, and it was the same size as this one. I dropped it. This looks like really cool. I'm so excited. There's greens in here because, like I said, it reminds me of Typo Negative, like the Typo Negative colors, and I don't have anything like this. Look at all those. So like I said, the other palette had like all different shades of purple, then it had like a white, I think like a yellow, gold, like a goldy yellow color, like sparkly. This was really cool. Crescent Moon, Doom Dust, Witch's Brew, Firefly Magic, Autumn Ember, Morning Moss, The Bog Witch, Lucky Potion, and Toad Familiar. Those are really nice. And the cover of this is really cool looking. It's like really beautiful. They do a really good job. I'm excited to use this. I can't wait. I can't wait. So now let's go through the paper so I can figure out what that rubber cup is, because I literally have no idea what it is. Well, let's just read it. This is a little bit of background history on Gothic beauty. For a quarter of a century, Gothic beauty has worked tirelessly to support and connect and preserve the Gothic community. Over the years, the magazine has covered all aspects of Gothic culture with an emphasis on style, fashion, and makeup. Called the best goth fashion quarterly by the Washington Post. I mean, it really is. I've never found another, not even just goth, but like box in general, like a subscription box in general that is actually worth the money. Because I've gotten ones that are some real garbage, and this is never, I've never had any issues with this one whatsoever. Yes, so let's see. Features in this this issue include Chain Cult, sustainable chainmail designs by Mary Luan, and modeled by Lillicreth. So it says the total retail value is $152 for only $49 plus shipping. That is a bargain. Lashy Doodle, full-size eyeshadow palette inspired by bog witches, with mystical and magical shades of beautiful but dark swamp. Additional dramatic eyeshadow for dramatic looks available. Small precision brush from Dark Asteroid Pretty. Lashy Doodle double-sided ink marker eyeliner with green ink stamp. Velvet Shadows full-size essential oil with a rollerball applicator from Spooky Spirits. Art Nuovo bat hair clip in pewter color from Hermetic Art. I've never heard of them before. Really nice looking. Maybe I have to look into more stuff. Green and black striped gloves from Charlotte Vale. And then, let's see, Lip Service Air Freshener, Form Fox Makeup Brush Cleaner Matte in mint green hypoallergenic silicone. So it is a makeup brush cleaner. But what do? Do you just put water in there and just like, I don't know. I gotta figure it out. I've never seen one of those before. I just have like the makeup brush cleaners that's like a little like foam pad and you just kind of like run your brush over it. So I'd have to look up how you actually use that. And then the holographic stickers, and then the bat stickers. So that's the whole box. I love it. So if you haven't checked out one of their boxes for yourselves, like purchased one, I highly recommend it. I think this one would probably be a good one to start with because like I said, it has the really good eyeliner, eyeshadow palettes, it has like the arm accessories, which I think are really cute and like a lot of people I think find nice to wear like to different outings and things like that. And then it has like an accessory like the bat hair clips. Sometimes they have jewelry like necklaces and things like that, or I've gotten rings in the past. So yeah, I will link all their information down below if you guys want to make a purchase for yourself. And let me know in the comments down below what was your favorite item from this box. Mine is definitely the green eyeshadow palette. I can't wait to use it, like play with the different colors and stuff, because I've had really good luck with their eyeshadows with like not having tons of fallout and things like that. I feel like it's really good quality. So if you haven't already, please think about subscribing to my channel. I always love having new people here all the time to chat with, to get to know, to share my adventures with, share my thoughts, share my opinions, and I like to hear your opinions back. So until next time, stay dark, my friends. I'll talk to you soon.